I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Lodge cast iron Dutch oven. Now, I purchased this Dutch oven because it is the perfect pot to make gumbo in. The pre-seasoned cast iron ensures even heat distribution, making it the ideal choice for slow cooking and achieving flavorful, tender results. I also love that it has this generous 7-quart capacity, which makes it a versatile size that allows me to prepare like large amounts of soup or gumbo for family meals or stew or even bake bread with ease. The addition of the dual handles is also a thoughtful feature. It makes it easy to lift and maneuver, especially when the Dutch oven is full. So it ensures that I'm cooking safely and conveniently. It's easy to care for. All I do is right after I cook my meal, I'll distribute the food to another container, wash it thoroughly, and then dry it with a paper towel. After drying it, I will smooth it over with some oil and place a paper towel under the lid just to absorb any water that hasn't been dried. This is the perfect addition to add to your kitchen. And that's my point of view.